Hi, I'm Frank Anderson. I'd like to talk to you about how to buy the best digital camera for your kids. Of course, the first thing is that it's got to be trendy and it's got to be the latest design. Kids want the coolest thing, and something that's brightly coloured is probably the best option. You should look on TV, try to ask the child what they're really interested in. It'll probably be the latest model. You should think about something which is compact, fits easily into your pocket. You should also consider what software is bundled with the camera. You might be able, for example, to have fun backgrounds. You might be able to attach interesting sounds to it. And, of course, you should always be able to upgrade the camera. So start with a cheap camera, and then you can always upgrade later. Durability is also a big feature for kids. So go online, check reviews, and choose a camera which is going to stand up to some hard use. At the beginning, of course, it's probably best to choose a very simple point-and-shoot camera. However, later on, you can always upgrade to a camera which has facilities such as an optical or digital zoom, which would have anti-red eye facility, and perhaps has got a built-in macro attachment. If you really have the money, you might even be able to afford image stabilization. Lastly, don't worry too much about megapixels. Try to find a camera that's easier to use. The easier it is to use, the better your child will like it. And remember, lastly, don't buy a camera that you like, because they'll probably hate it.